Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my September Witches Moon box. It comes in a privacy mailer. Beautiful box per the usual. It's bigger than usual. It smells wonderful. Collect these. It's a very pretty oracle. Nature. Take a moment today to stand outside and quiet your thoughts and breathing. Knowing the sun in your soul are always shining, the birds in your heart are always singing, and the followers in your path are always opening up. And the flowers in your path are always opening up. You don't have to action these things into being. You just have to turn up. Look around and feel into life. Notice how your dreams and desires surround you in many ways. It may not be the precise thing you desire, though. It will give you the same feeling. Look for where your dreams and desires are instead of where they are not. Shift your perception and you will change your life. So, that's very cool. Shadowed Land. We'll look at this last. We got a lovely sigil here. Oh, they're little this month. The Oak King and the Holly King. They're fixing to trade places here very soon. Beautiful art. Orange. So pretty in fall. Smells fabulous. Smells like fall. Smells like lovely fall. The Renewal Sacred Salt. Ooh, smell good. Beautiful. I bathe with these. Usually I use these on full moons or quarter moons, and I do a special mud and charcoal bath on the dark moon before the new moon. At least I have been lately. Red clover, orange peel, muslin bags, Harvest Sunset Ritual Tea. Looks beautiful. It was Mystic Girl at the Crossroads. I think she recently changed her name, but we're doing a tea challenge, I guess. Gonna drink more tea. Beautiful. Is this honey calcite? I don't know. We shall see. I save all these little bags in case you're wondering. I have a box full of little bags. Oh, even the candle's little. Wow. Shaking it up on me, Witch's Moon. Very cool. Ooh. Silent Reflection. Word. I'm definitely... Oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm definitely needing some of that. I have been in a funk. There's so many negative Nancys. It's just wearing me down. But it's going to be okay. Just got to keep on keeping on. The good thing about negative Nancys is they usually tire themselves out. The Green Man. Very cool. It's full of lots of green goodies. Ouch. I'm wrapping my hand again because I totally have overdone it. And it really, really, really hurts again. Which is just peachy. Nurses make the worst patients. We don't do what we're supposed to. And also we know everything. Very cool. Looks like a base. Cool. Let's see. Let us see. Ooh. Heavy. Ooh, I'm excited. What is it? I haven't watched anybody else's yet. Oh, because I like to be surprised when I open them. Oh my goodness, my hand. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at you. He's so handsome. Wow. I love it. Oh my goodness. I've always wanted one and I don't have one. Yay. Ouch. This has been a great box. Look at you. Oh, it's got like a wood lake. The snuffer. So cool. I don't have one. Oh, and incense. Ooh, it smells like fall. So delicious. Alright, let's read this. Soon we step upon the doorstep of nature's transformation, preparing and willing, open and honest. Prepared and willing, open and honest. We become our true selves, able to delve deep into the shadows that stand before us. Among giving thanks and celebrating the harvest, we begin to prepare for the most powerful task of the season. We adjust our energy towards self-reflection and truth, so that we may arrive valiant, peering through clear and knowing sight. Join us as we celebrate and honor the upcoming equinox and Maiden season, shining light as we venture through the shadowed lands. So very, very exciting. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. So I'm super excited for equinox. We always spend equinox in the forest, and I can't wait. I can't wait to. I like to sit in the forest, and I always sit on the ground with a blanket against a tree with a pillow, so I don't get. I have a special pillow for that, so I don't get sap on myself, but I still get it everywhere. Because I'm barefoot the whole time, and to be honest, sometimes naked. I just like to be as close to nature as I can out there, and I like to sit and imagine that as I'm breathing, my spine gets long and it taps into the soil, and so I'm letting in all the good. And then all the bad is just seeping into the soil and taken away. I could do that anywhere. I do that. So even sometimes in the shower. And just visually imagine my spine turning into a tail and just lengthening all the way through the crawl space of my house into the soil. And just letting it go. Or sometimes just letting it go down the drain. Whatever. But it's just like, for me, it's a very nice exercise in grounding. I've done it since I was a teen, but I don't remember where I read it. Probably Silver Raven Wolf. I don't know, but it's always been a good grounding exercise for me. Okay, Green Man candle holder with glass insert. Oh, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. So cool. It's totally going on my altar. And yes, cool, because I love toys. And tools. And decorative items. I mean, they really are wonderful, and human beings have liked those things for millennia. But I digress. Let's keep it about this beautiful box. So beautiful. I'm loving it. It's so heavy. Very cool. Okay. The deep and resonating meaning of the Green Man holds such prominence within our beliefs and view of the natural world. It's so easy in the modern age to forget that nature is the true and beholden provider of life, full of free-flowing and guided energy. As we pay homage to our roots, both physical and spiritual, we connect. It goes on for a bit. I'll leave it here, so if you want to read it, you can totally pause it and read it, but there's a lot there. Branched candle snuffer. As to offer another symbol of the natural cycle, we've included a branched candle snuffer to keep close by. So cool. Oak King, Book of Shadows artwork. I'm an oak. So if you look into your Chinese astrology, it's not just the 12 animals, it's also the 5 elements, and so it's actually a 60-year cycle with 60 different combinations. You know, each element and each animal. And so I'm a wood rat, and if you're a masculine wood rat, if you're a masculine wood, you're an oak, and if you're a feminine wood, you're a willow. And it just depends on the year that you were born, but I'm an oak, and my husband, who is not a rat, he is a an ox, he is a willow. So it balances out. Holly King. I'll cover more about that. I'm really excited because I'm going to China, so I'm hopeful to get talk to a whole bunch of people about it once I'm there, but definitely going to do a little blurb about what I learned in my astrology study group, and also briefly about Chinese astrology, because I find it very interesting, and I find it very illuminating into your psychological personality. But again, I digress. Transformation sigil. Silent reflection spell candle. So beautiful. God bless it. Okay, let's see. With the intention of providing a clear state of consciousness while working to delve into the darkest side of your character and preconceived judgments of the world around you. This is definitely a good time for shadow work. Because I find that when I'm most frustrated with other people, it's because they're projecting shit I hate about myself. And so that's a good time to take a deeper dive and be like, hey, you're you. It's okay. We can be better. But even if we don't, it's okay to be you. Everybody's a work in progress. And so I think I'm really in dire need of that because I have been grouchy. So it's basically how to use that, but the smell is amazing. So it's clove, cedar wood, and shadow work magical anointing oil. The Green Man magical anointing oil. So this one's also full of just wonderful deliciousness. Cedar and clove, willow bark, oak bark, cedar wood, Lemurian quartz, transformation magical oil. Very, very cool. I knew. Honey calcite. It just has this texture. I really like this stone. I worked a lot with it when I did a friend box for solstice, not equinox, solstice, summer solstice. Very nice stone. Very good stone. It's for clarity, insight, abundance of benefits. It's really good. Divination and shadow work. It's got a lot of grounded energy. So it's a really nice one. Warmth of the Season incense sticks. And Harvest Sun herbal tea. So basically it is lemon fields, orange fields, and rose hips. Yum. Lots of vitamin C in that. You got your orange peel, you got your red clover, you got your personalized oracle reading, and of course, your parchment paper. I'm very excited about this box. This box is perfect. Y'all know I love Witch's Moon. Many people love Witch's Moon. I'm not going to digress too much because this box is so wonderful and I just want to enjoy it. And it brings me a lot of joy, and I hope that you like it, are interested in it. Check it out. I've never had a box from them, either the Witch's Moon or the Witch's Roots, that I did not love and get a lot of value out of and a lot of knowledge, because I keep all of this. I use this. I'm going to start doing the tea. We're going to do it. Mystic Girl of Crossroads. Or I'll have to check what your new YouTube handle is. I love everything I got in this box. Excellent box. Particularly, I've always wanted one of these. A snuffer. And I'm very excited about the theme because I'm really, really excited about getting into the forest, and that's usually when I do my best, like, personal work, because it's just you and nature. There's no internet. The internet doesn't work where we camp. I mean, my husband and son are there, but usually they're playing in the mud. So I try to keep them away from my decks and books and crystals, which I like to bring with me. Although we do cuddle a lot, because my son is a little cuddle bug. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This has been an amazing box. You know, one of the things that's come up recently is that sometimes when you do an unboxing, it's really just, when you do a YouTube video, it's just like a moment in time for you, just one tiny aspect of your day. And so I'm going to be more conscious about adding more information about myself to share. So please like, comment if you haven't already, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.